one of those things you always think about what's to come up when you've got a game like this and you have the opportunity to make changes. Then we know what's coming up for City, away at Tottenham, then home here against Chelsea. But also, you've actually got the days working in your favour. There's the biggest gap possible to a midweek game, it is on Wednesday. There's the biggest gap possible between a midweek game and a Monday night game. So maybe Manuel Pellegrini doesn't necessarily need to think about those games as much as he might have done if it had been a Saturday, Tuesday, Saturday, for example.
Yeah, you look at the team, again, like you say, the team that he's put out today, he's there to win the game, but at the same time, he is going to be resting some of the key players ready for Tottenham midweek. You know, Tottenham is a huge game, and particularly away, we've got a lot of tough away games coming up. Chelsea at home, you know, with the record we've got here at the Etihad, he'll be confident we can win that with the right team. But it's nice, it's a nice mix of keeping players playing games and balancing it out with giving them rest at the same time, so I think they'll all benefit from it.
And there's always a threat, isn't there, Natalie? Always a threat up front, because again, Aguero, Dzeko, because we know our Paulo Aguero is injured, so you can still pick on those two players, and has Jovetic hopefully fresh coming off the bench as well.
It's not even there's just a threat up front, there's a threat from every position on the field for us, and that's demonstrated in the amount of goals that Yaya scored so far this season. But it's wonderful that Sergio is back starting the game today, but I think we're all hoping that we'll get to see Jovetic on the pitch at some point and sort of finally get to see how good we all know that he can be.
A couple of special guests coming up pitchside in just a moment or two. We've rescued them from City Square and we will be talking to them shortly. But first, let's revisit the last time that these two played just around earlier in the FA Cup 2 years ago.